redemption out here on Lake Hamilton again. It's my freaking third or fourth time coming out here, and I'm trying to catch more than 4 fish today. So hopefully I go out there and get on some fish, man. It's been there's 2 club tournaments out today and a lot of people out in the parking lot just fun fishing, so let's see what we can do. Alright, I'm gonna try this new combo. Dang, this thing is nice.
It's not loaded with fish over there like it was.
This thing's a cast pretty good too. Throw in that, there we go.
See any fish?
Hey, there you go.
Probably lay down on it. Go for this tap. Got to retire that color. Found it. Don't you do it.
Dang, look at your graph. Dang. They are loaded on your screen. New jerkbait on. It's crazy that we can only catch 1 fish around here. 1 fish.
I know, with all those fish that are showing up right there.
Yeah. I knew I should have bought that jig and spoon. See if they want the jig. The jiggy. The yiggy. Yeah, I felt something heavy as I was lifting up my rod after I took my jacket off. There it is. No. He's playing with it. Damn it. I'm throwing this net rig.
And clear this bait right here ought to work really good.
There we go. Told you that net rig was gonna work. Didn't catch on the jig, so pull out the netty Ned.
Black too.
Right on the top of the dome, right where you want it. Messing with the jig. Have to pull out the old poop bait. Yeah, I know. The jig was too big for him. Oh. I didn't think it was still on. About. I felt it, but I didn't think it was still on. I didn't really see my line move. Fish number 2. There we go. There's a shit. There's a fishy. There's a fishy. Fish number 4 for us.
All the same size back there.
I'm gonna have to throw that net rig again. All right, it's time to move on. No, they came off. No way. The fish came off. That's unfortunate. Woo! And a 3 for you. On a yiggy yig. That's a good one. On a yiggy yig. Oh, Pierce's eyes. Pretty good one on the yig.
That's why you caught him. You're baiting him over.
Yeah, my cracker went in the water. See you, buddy. Ooh. Ooh. Squeak McGee.
Jump off.
Fish number 5 for you. Whee! Come on, fish. What is going on? I swear these fish don't even like me, man. Shit's rough. I wish I was that lucky.
Always pray. Look how big that is. Hey, look what you did. You got the carpet, big man.
Alright. That's all she wrote. Terrible day for me. But at least I caught a fish. not the best day again. But you know what? We caught fish. Well, at least I caught fish. I didn't get plenty skunk today. Water fishing is no bueno.